Exponential challenges require exponential solutions. VTT's annual iBEX program unlocks the ingenuity and scientific creativity of VTT's own researchers to develop new concepts and early-stage innovations to solve some of humanity's most pressing challenges. Let's meet the iBEX teams of 2021.
So in our iBEX project, we have been developing an artificial intelligence method that resembles to the ones used in the deepfake to create new-to-nature enzymes with novel functions. Their functionality comes from the 3D structure of these small machines that we call enzymes. To be able to generate the proteins, we have to give to the AI information about how this change of amino acid that is forming an enzyme is folding and creating this machinery that then will make some changes into the chemical compounds.
These AI-driven methods can help us create fully renewable, sustainable materials, built with biology, but designed by humans. This will have a large impact on the future of manufacturing, replacing petrochemical derivatives with microbially produced chemicals. VTT's iBEX program celebrates the power of scientific problem solving. Follow us to find out what our researchers will be working on next.